Hello and welcome to my channel Blending with Niloy. This is another Blender tutorial. Here we're gonna talk about RBDLab add-on. Today's topic, RBDLab add-on. So what does this add-on do? This add-on do some cool stuff like this. Fracture things. You can make this you use this RBDLab add-on to make building destruction or like this type of destruction, road distract, some mines are buried under the road, anything here. So here's a funny thing. So here I tried to write subscribe, but I failed. The fracture is done, but the original writing is not. So do subscribe, please. Okay, so let's go on the detail. So we're gonna need a new file. Oh shit, I didn't. Okay, let's take a plane. This will be a flat fractured plane. We're gonna fracture this, so we're gonna need some thickness. Yeah, this thickness will do. Okay, so now, oh, before that, where you can find the RBDLab add-on? Simply just go to Superhype Market and search for RBD. You can find RBDLab add-on here. It's only $73. And if you don't want to pay, then you know how to go. Okay, so open the RBDLab add-on, go to prepare, annotation, start annotation. So we're gonna make a line. Let's make it this curve line. Okay, so this is the line fracture would follow. You go to scatter, add standard scatter, make the density 300, and you can play with the seed, play with the size. I will not recommend to play with the size. Yes, accept, fracture, on particles and annotation pencil. Make sure you select the annotation pencil holding shift and click on the annotation pencil. Okay, max strength 1000, perfectly good. Noise 0.5, perfectly good. And click on fracture. Wait 1 or 2 minutes and well, the fracture is done. There you go. The fracture is done. 2 minutes, sorry. There you go. The fracture is done. So now what we are gonna do, apply the fracture, go to physics, add a ground. So this ground, what to do, let's just in the annotation. Okay, delete the annotation. Okay, so what this ground will do, this is a collision ground. The fracture that burst from here will stuck on the ground. Let's increase the words. There, the fracture will not fall in the infinity, it will collide with this ground. Okay, so here we physics RBD, go to RBD and just update it. So this, all the shards now have, what do you call that, rigid body. Now go to kinetics. We need kinetics is must. Select kinetics, update. Okay, now go to activators, and now here you can see we have a small parameter. This parameter, what does do? Select the small shards on this, in this. Let's go. Okay, this thing. Now we need to deselect the shards that are not on this line. Okay, deselect this. Okay, deselecting all this, and this, and this. Okay. We don't need this, like this. And if you want any shards to be selected, just hold down shift and select the shards. Like I want to select these shards, this shards, this ones, this ones. Okay, okay, very good. Now we need to do this. Like we need a layer. Like we're gonna make this selected shards a layer of kinetics. Add layer. Okay, we just added a nice little layer for this shards. Now we need activator. There's the activator list. You can just add activators, many much. Okay. Add activator. I'm gonna select sphere, and now we need to make this sphere follow this nice little path we created for the distraction. This will this will make the distraction. Okay. Okay. There we go. Scale the fracture in your liking. Scale the sphere. This sphere covers all these things. Okay. Now, how are we gonna animate this? Right? We need to animate this on the path. So that's so easy. We're gonna make a curve. Where's the curve? Where's the curve? There. There's the curve. Go to edit mode. 1 point here, 1 point here. Subdivide. 1 point here and there. Okay, I just need there. Nice little path is curved here. Okay, then it's a good. Yes, it is. Now I need to make this sphere follow this nice little path. For that, we need to go to object constants, follow path, select the path. Select the Bezier curve path, and we need to all transforms. Now we just this okay, it's done. Now we just need to edit select this whole sphere and move it to its origin point. There you go. There. Nice animated path. So I'm gonna start from this here. Okay, add a keyframe and go to like 130 frames, and in here, add another keyframe here. Okay, now our path is created. Okay, our path is created. Linear constant, this is a linear constant. Okay, our path is created, and now the main part is the record. You can just add the activator for now. Click on record, wait some seconds, maybe. Yeah, there you go. Now you can see a red bloody thing is happening here. This is the indicator that our activator is working well, that our activator is like covering the whole thing, but the shards are not like going boom 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 boom. So how do I do this? Just need to change the direction. You see the direction all is 0. Change it to 1.5 and give it a random rotations for randomness. Multiplier. This multiplier does the direction you like. I have give a 1.5 z direction, and the multiplier will multiply that 1.5 with 0.10. You know the math, I hope so. So there you go. Now we need to remove the record and get a new record thing. Okay, wait. Okay, there you go. I just made some nice distraction. Yo. Okay, so everything is done. Now these are not like much realistic one, like they're just big chunks of shards, no small things, no dust, no debris. We can make that too. How? Now we need to bake this animation. Okay, go to bake. Sorry, dang, I've forgotten. Activator now. This one the activator. Now we need to make the simulation for making debris and dust and whatever you can think of. So go to bake, and I don't need so much frames, right? I just need like 160. Okay, and 160. Click on bake. The bake takes 2 or 3 seconds and it's done. How simple is that? It's done. Now go to particles thing. There you go. Find debris here. Distance threshold. Edge lowest number you can get. Velocity threshold as low as you can get. Create debris. Wait 3 to 4 seconds. There you go. You got some nice looking debris. Wow, how cool is that? Like a small tweak can make your scene go from this to this. Yeah, dang, how cool is this? Right, how cool is this looking? Okay, so we got debris. You can scale the debris here, minimum maximum randomness. You can make the debris go much more, or much low. And now we also need dust is also a particle system where the dust particles are also much smaller than debris. Here the same as distance threshold, as low as you can go, velocity threshold as low as you can go, create dust, and this will make also the dust. Now this thing looks more realistic, right? 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 Yes. Now this is more realistic. And also we have a smoke system. Distance threshold 0, velocity. You can keep the velocity. There we go. I got some nice smoke. This is a smoke system. The white particles are the smokes, destruction smokes. See how cool is that, right? So yeah, our RBD distraction thing is okay. It's finished, and now I'm gonna ending this video right here. And now I'm gonna end this video right here. If you guys want to know how you can make materials for the shirts here, or how can you make the volumetric smoke, the smoke doesn't have volume yet, you have to make one. So if you want to know how to make these things, subscribe, give a like, and tell me in the comment section. I'll make a video of that too, how you can make volumetric smoke material, give it a material, and material you can, how to give a rubber material, give this thing a rubber material. Haha, this is fun. Take care, goodbye, and do subscribe.